Hey guys, Dave here. It is summertime, although you might not be watching this in the summer, but who said you cannot have chili in the summertime? That's why I decided to make me up some summertime ground beef and corn Santa Fe chili. Absolutely the easiest chili you will ever make and so delicious. So let me show you how to do this. The first thing you want to do is add about a tablespoon of oil into your Dutch oven or pot. Throw in about a pounder and lb of medium ground beef. And I'm just going to grab up my spoon and break this up over medium-high heat until it begins to brown. Something like this is beginning to look good, and if you got a lot of oil or grease, just kind of drain it off. But you really don't have to because it is chili. Okay, go ahead and throw in a small chopped onion. About 4 cloves of chopped garlic, depending on how garlicky you want it, but you know me, I just love me garlic. And just go ahead and stir and saute this until that onion becomes a little bit translucent and that wonderful aroma of garlic just fills the air. Now for our seasoning, which is 2 tablespoons of chili powder, a teaspoon of cumin, a teaspoon of smoked paprika, and a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne. So just go ahead and toss this into the mix. Grab up your spoon and stir and saute until that seasoning just completely coats the meat. And oh my goodness, this is smelling good. And then with a few cracks, I'd say about a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon or 2 of ground black pepper, that's my fancy word for pepper, and I just love pepper. Alrighty then, now we are adding in a small chopped red bell pepper, and just go ahead and give this a stir around as well. A full can of tomato sauce is about 355 milliliters, something like that, 14 ounces, I'm not sure. Another can of garlic and olive diced tomatoes. I just like the garlic and olive, but it's entirely up to you. You can just use the regular stuff too. Followed by a can of sweet corn. Yes, sweet corn, believe it or not, and it is so good in chili. Of course, some red kidney beans. It wouldn't be chili without red kidney beans. Grab up the old chili spoon, which is just a regular wooden spoon, but I wanted to make it sound fancy, and just give everything a stir around. And is this not looking like chili, guys? Oh, it is to me anyway. Slip a lid on, reduce the heat to medium, let it simmer away for about 20 minutes. After about 20 minutes, there it be, guys, our summer Santa Fe ground beef and corn chili. I mean, it doesn't get any easier, and just look at this. Doesn't it look absolutely incredible? To me it does, anyway. And you know what? I could even see cooking this up over the old campfire. But in this case, I'm gonna throw it into a bowl and look at that steaming hot chili. Just to perfection. I guess I could have thrown some mushrooms in there too, and maybe some celery. And of course, you just guts to top this off with some cheese. And a little bit of parsley just to make it all pretty like. That is our summer Santa Fe ground beef and corn chili. Absolutely wonderful. You bite into this and it is sensational. It's chili like I've never had before. So fast and easy. Simply a must make. As I always say, guys, if you enjoyed this video, give us a like because it does help promote our videos. Thanks for watching, and if you're so inclined, subscribe.